Alright, so we got a roar. We're gonna see how long this lasts. Flatten it all out. Get it all flattened down. Like so. Look at that baby. Love it. Oh, it barely fits. So just like that. Then we'll shut this down. Smolder it a little bit. And turn this way down. About right there. So it is 11:20. We'll see how long. It's 11:20. We'll see how long this thing lasts. Put it down on low. And nice and warm now. Looks like we got some snow rolling in on the hills. Nothing here yet though. Okay, so like 2 seconds later, it's snowing. Barely. But we got snow. Can't quite see it. Alright, so what time is it now? Oh yeah, look. It moved. Huh. Yeah, it's just smoldering. That's
12:25. It's been about an hour.
About an hour. That's probably got at least another couple hours in it.
Yeah. And that's not even the big one.
No. Yeah, I mean, it's keeping it warm. That's perfect. Maybe it does work better that way. Alright, I got one of these little pre-made deals. The old Safeway. Of course, Doug and his turkey, his love of turkey. No more snow. No more snow. Oh man, where'd you get those from?
It was like a little stump over there. Just chopped it in thirds.
Well, it's still giving off great heat, but it is done. That's about 3 hours. It's not bad. About 3 hours with one of those. Still core left, but tonight that would be still pretty cold. So, I mean, not wonderful, but still not too shabby for the size of a log. I don't know, camping.
Smoking a pipe.
That's all that Steve does. I mean, he just records himself buying a convenience store pop and he gets it. So, this is us. Here we are.
That's what we do.
It's cold outside.
So cold.
So cold. I won't put any of this on.
Oh, Jason Schmidt. You crazy man.
I'm sending it. Our 2 lights going. It's really quite toasty. But man, the second you open that door, it's cold. -6 tonight. We're gonna go through all that wood.
Yeah. What do we get? Like
Right there.
2 seconds of snow?
Yeah, 2 seconds of snow. There's a chance tonight. Doesn't look like it's a huge chance, so. That's it, man.
That's it.
Sounds good. I'll try them at home. Let's see. There's that. Looks like two tones did.
Yeah, I didn't realize how much wood I cut.
Get after it. Oh boy.
And it was cold. I was like, I'm just going to keep working.